Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Where Winds Meet on PC. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Where Winds Meet PC in the search bar. From the search results, click on the first official link. This ensures you are downloading the game from a safe and trusted source, not a third-party site. Once the website opens, you will see different options on the page, such as Play PC Now and Mobile Download. Here, click on Play PC Now because this option is specifically for the PC version of the game. Now, look forward at the top right corner of the page and click the download icon. The launcher file will start downloading, and you can check the progress by clicking the download arrow in Chrome. After the download is complete, go to the download section in Chrome and click on the downloaded file to open it. This will launch the game installer. Next, you will see the setup screen. Here, carefully read and review the user agreement and privacy policy. Then, tick the check boxes to agree and click on Install Now to continue. After that, a Windows security prompt may appear asking for permission. Click Yes so the installer can proceed with the installation. As you can see, the launcher will now begin installing on your system. Wait for a few moments while the files are prepared. Once the installation reaches the next step, click on Confirm to continue. This confirms your installation settings so far. Now, click on the folder icon next to the install path if you want to change where the game will be installed. This is useful if you want to install the game on a different drive with more storage. Select your private folder and click on Select Folder to confirm the location. Make sure the selected drive has enough free space for the game files. Next, you will see options to choose the client version such as Lite or Standard. The Lite version uses less storage, while the Standard version includes full game content and better visuals. Finally, click on Install and the game will start installing fully on your PC. Once the installation is finished, you'll be able to launch Where Winds Meet and start playing. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.